Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. History has been made as NASA confirms the first ever successful powered flight on another planet. Ingenuity, the helicopter that had been attached to the belly of Perseverance rover, successfully took flight this morning, and the data was received at around 4:26 p.m. India time by the mission control at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Soon after, the first ever images from the flight also arrived. The onboard navigation camera on the Ingenuity helicopter sent the first image from the helicopter. The image that you are seeing on your screens, the black and white image, shows the shadow of the helicopter in flight on the Martian surface, and this was the first ever image from a powered flight on another planet. Cheers galloped at the mission control room at JPL as a color image was soon received from the flight, and this shows the Ingenuity helicopter in flight. Now, this helicopter weighs around 1.8 kilograms and the flight time was around 40 seconds. The helicopter in fact reached a height of 10 feet and then hovered around in flight field before its scheduled landing. Now that the flight is successful, NASA hopes that it will be able to fly the helicopter 4 more times in the next few weeks. And as the Martian atmosphere is thin, the blades rotated at around 2400 RPM compared to the 450 to 500 RPM range required for helicopters back on Earth. The original flight was in fact scheduled at around 1:45 on 12th April, but the launch was postponed after the expiration in the watchdog timer. Now, this basically overlooks the command sequence that transitions the flight computer from pre-flight mode to the flight mode. How exactly is the data relayed back on Earth? Well, as soon as the flight landed, it transmitted data to the helicopter base station on the rover. Now, the rover transmitted this data to the MRO orbiter, which has been orbiting Mars for a while now. Now, this orbiter turned towards the Earth and transmitted the data to the Deep Space Network on Earth. This in turn relayed the data to the JPL, where engineers decoded it and also determined if the flight was successful. Now, the data relay of course takes time, as the red planet is around 290 million kilometers away from Earth. So, what is the primary purpose of this project? Well, the primary purpose is to get that detailed engineering data using which NASA can see the performance of the vehicle, and also then that data can be used by future projects to make even bigger and even better helicopters that will be flying on the red planet. So, what do you guys think about the first ever powered flight on another planet? Do let us know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thanks a lot for watching.